Hi, this is Mary Ann.
I'm Dan, her husband.
And today is August the 13th, 2010, and we just attended an Isaac event in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And let me tell you something about this event. It has totally changed our lives in a positive way. We already feel the positive momentum that has shifted in our lives, and I apologize, but I'm going to do some bullet points that my husband and I put together here, how this seminar has actually helped us. It has helped us realize that what one thinks, one becomes, and the realization that beliefs can never be external. Your beliefs are part of you. So we want to thank Jason, Brian, and Ron Hagee for bringing us such a positive, wonderful day and giving us a bonus day and a blessed day. Dan, do you have anything you want to add to that?
Absolutely, guys. Thanks for the time today, and I know you guys put a lot of work into this. I know what kind of work goes into this kind of event, and I know you have another 2 grueling days to go through, but I know it's going to be great, and it's going to be positive, it's going to be wonderful. We're all going to benefit from it, and we hope you see that when you see the audience reacting to you guys. Appreciate your time and your help and your efforts. God bless.
Thank you, guys. Have a great night. Bye.